Assalamualaikum. In today's video I will show you how to fix the vibrate problem. There are different type of problem in our mobile phone. We are behind this one of the mobile phone vibrate but is not on. Why? The problem is that the call is not just vibrating ringtone. I'm HF.Kamrul will watch the full video on the vibrate problem that has appeared among you today, and those who are new to this channel will subscribe and click on the bell icon to get all the latest IT help up front. And thanks to those who are subscribing. So friend, let's get started. So friend, we will go to setting first. I will click on the sound and vibration option from the setting. Then I will bring it to sound from sound mode. Here is sound mode. Then sound mode. The sound mode will actually vibrate once if you are in the vibrate and silent. If you have to do this with sound, otherwise there will be no vibration. Then you have to turn on the vibrate while ringing option. Here is on. Ringing on the base is vibrate mode. Then you can set vibrate tone from the vibration. Here is heartbeat. Then if you want, this will fix your vibrate problem. If you have any problem, let us know in the comment box, and start turn it by subscribing to the like, comment and share. So friends, so for today, see you in the next episode. Bye bye.